BioCare Labs allows you to be versatile with your styles.
This video will demonstrate how you can use the products to effortlessly transition from natural look to silky straight style. Here are the Curls and Naturals products we'll be using to style and care for your natural hair.
She has been previously shampooed with the Curls and Naturals cleansing shampoo, and we're going to blow her dry. Now this is natural hair when you want to straighten it, when you want to have the relaxer look without the relaxer. We have shampooed her with the Curls and Naturals cleansing shampoo. We've applied the Curls and Naturals conditioning repair mask. We've applied a small amount of leave-in conditioner. And we've also applied the daily moisturizing serum. Now we're going to flat iron her hair. As you're flat ironing your hair, keep in mind that if your hair is very dense, your partings will be small. Also keeping in mind that your implement you're using, the heat is not very high and not too hot.